Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo 3/16 male to 1/4-20 male thread adapter. This thread adapter consists of a 3/16 male thread on one side and a 1/4-20 male thread on the other. 1/4-20 means that the diameter of the bolt is 1/4 of an inch with 20 threads per inch. 3/16 means that the diameter of the bolt is 1/3 of an inch with 16 threads per inch. And male because it's an outie as opposed to an innie. It allows you to join any device or accessory with a 3/16 female thread to any device or accessory with a 1/4-20 female thread, such as this Enduro ball head to this max arm. Let's mount this DSLR on the riser of this Master C stand with a max arm rigged to a combi clamp. First, mount the combi clamp to the riser section of our C stand. Now, we'll mount the max arm into our combi clamp by placing the baby stud with the female 3/16 thread into the baby receiver of the combi clamp, then tighten. Screw the 3/16 male thread of the adapter into the Enduro ball head, and a 1/4-20 male thread into the max arm's baby stud with a 1/4-20 female thread of the max arm. Now we'll mount our DSLR on the ball head. Lastly, we'll loosen the hand wheel on the max arm, position our camera where you'd like, and tighten the hand wheel to secure in place. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.